Today, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to Mailchimp step by step, so you can verify your email domain and get your website domain connected the right way. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully so you don't miss anything. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside Mailchimp, look at the search bar at the top and click into it. Type domains and press enter. This is the fastest way to get to the domain settings without hunting through every menu manually. After the search results appear, click on Domains. This will take you directly to the domain management area in Mailchimp. On this page, you'll usually see options related to email domains and website domains, so take a moment to look over the screen and understand what each section is for. The first thing you'll notice is the email domain section. If you want to add an email domain, this is where you start. Click on Add and Verify Domain. Mailchimp will ask you to enter your email address, so type it in carefully. Make sure it's the correct address you want to verify, because this is how Mailchimp confirms you own that email identity. Once your email is entered, click Send Verification Email. Then go to your inbox and look for the verification message from Mailchimp. Open the email and complete the verification step. After that, you can close the verification window and return to Mailchimp. Verifying your email is an important step because it helps build trust and make sure your account is properly set up. Next, scroll or move over to the website domain section. This is the area you'll use if your goal is to connect a domain to Mailchimp for website-related use. Click on Connect a Domain. Mailchimp will then guide you through the connection process. Now, here's the key thing to know. To fully connect a domain, Mailchimp may require you to upgrade your plan. If you see a message asking you to upgrade, that means domain connection is tied to a paid plan for this feature. Choose the plan that fits your needs, complete the upgrade, and then continue with the domain connection process. After upgrading, follow Mailchimp's prompts to finish connecting your domain. Depending on your domain provider, you may need to confirm ownership or adjust DNS records. If Mailchimp gives you any instructions on screen, follow them exactly, since those steps are what make the connection work properly. Take your time and double-check every email and domain entry before moving on. One small typo can cause the verification or connection to fail, so accuracy matters here. And that's it. You've now learned how to find the domains area in Mailchimp, verify an email domain, and begin the process of connecting a website domain. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.